Om Namah Shivaya. As we were discussing about the concept of health, definition of health, according to WHO and other alternative systems, including yoga. Today, let us understand about the disease. Disease, according to WHO, a condition, a state that impairs normal functioning of the body or mind, is characterized by specific symptoms, signs, and lab findings. WHO also considers disease as any deviation from the normal functional and structural state of an organism, generally associated with the specific symptoms and signs and also laboratory findings. ವಿಶ್ವ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ರೋಗ ಎಂದರೆ ದೇಹ ಮತ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯನ್ನು ದುರ್ಬಲಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು, ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯದ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳಿಂದ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಎಂದು. Among four Vedas, Atharva Veda deals with the health related topics. Rigveda deals with the many diseases, herbs and fundamental principles of Ayurveda. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಾತನ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳಾದ 4 ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥರ್ವ ವೇದ ಮತ್ತು ಋಗ್ವೇದಗಳು ಈ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೋಗಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಥರ್ವ ವೇದ, ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 3 elements. ಅಬ್ರಜ, ಅಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಡನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಫ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ವಾತಜ, ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ವಿಂಡ್. ಸುಷ್ಮಜ indicates pitta or fiery element in the body. These are all the 3 elements which causes disease in the human body. Atharva Veda mentions 4 types of treatment: Atharvana Chikitsa, Angirasa Chikitsa, Daivi Chikitsa, Aushadhi Chikitsa. Atharvana Chikitsa deals with the chanting of mantra, faith healing by way of psychiatry or psychological type of treatment. Angirasa Chikitsa, application of medicinal herbs and products of animals and birds. So third type of treatment is Daivi Chikitsa, curing disease with the help of national elements such as sun rays, water, earth, etc. Aushadhi Chikitsa, application of Aushadhi unfinished products. So in this way, Ayurveda tells about the cause of the disease and also treatments of the disease. Om Namah Shivaya.